I'm Evan Smith, and if you're looking for improved brake feel and performance from your 05 to 2014 Mustang, Stifflers Chassis and Suspension has a great kit for you. So here's an example of a stock rubber brake line from the front of a 05 to 2014 Mustang. As you can see, it's made of rubber, which is fine for everyday driving, but under extreme heat, extreme pressure that you find on track, the rubber can actually expand, and that leads to a mushy brake pedal. So you don't want that. What you want is a stainless steel line like this from Stifflers. And this one has a Teflon coating, it's red. Stifflers offers it in a variety of colors, so if you're into having it match your car, if you have some cool looking wheels and you want to show through the wheel, this is what you need to make your Mustang look good and perform great on track. If you're into stopping quick and looking good, this brake kit is a must for you. And if you want to see more of our great products, be sure to check out buystiflers.com.